Students, now we are going to start with the I.U.P.A.C nomenclature. I.U.P.A.C nomenclature. Now, what is this I.U.P.A.C? As I told you before, it is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. According to this I.U.P.A.C, the name of an organic compound consists of 5 parts. Let us study those 5 parts. Those are secondary prefix, which is written before the name, plus primary prefix. This was the second part, plus word root. Then we have primary suffix. And last is secondary suffix. So students, these 5 parts of the name are the basic skeleton for naming an organic compound. Now let us begin with the nomenclature of straight chain hydrocarbons. Nomenclature of straight chain hydrocarbons. Now students, straight chain means no branching is present here, and hydrocarbons means they consist of carbon and hydrogen. Now for naming a straight chain hydrocarbon, all we require from this is the word root, and second we require is primary suffix. So all we require is word root plus primary suffix. Now out of this word root, what is this word root? Now word root denotes the number of carbon atoms present in the organic compound. This is the basic unit of the name. Let us study first about the word root. Word root. Now as I told you, it denotes the number of carbon atoms. So according to that, it is given name. If the organic compound is having only one carbon atom, that means C1, then its word root is meth. Now if the organic compound has C2 carbon atoms, that means 2 carbon atoms present, it is given name eth. The word root for 2 carbon atoms is eth. Same, C3 is prop, C4 is but, C5 is pent. If organic compound has C6 carbon atoms, then the word root is hex. C7 is denoted as hept, C8 oct, C9 by non, and C10 by dec. So students, these are the word roots. If these number of carbon atoms are present in the organic compound, then I have denoted their word roots here. So this is the first point. All we require is word root, and second we require is primary suffix. So about primary suffix. Now what is this primary suffix? The word suffix means which is added after the name. Alright. Now when we are talking of the straight chain hydrocarbons, that means only a straight chain of carbon atoms is present. Now this is also of 2 types. They are saturated hydrocarbons also and unsaturated hydrocarbons also, based on the number of bonds present in them. So we have saturated hydrocarbons and unsaturated. As I told you, they are divided on the basis of the bonds present. Now these saturated hydrocarbons contain only single bond, there is single bond present between carbon atoms. Now these unsaturated hydrocarbons are of further two types. They may contain double bond and they can be triple bond present between carbon atoms. Now according to these, the number of bonds present, we have primary suffixes here. Now the primary suffix used when all the bonds are single bonds, then the primary suffix is "-ine". When double bond is present, then the primary suffix is "-ine". And when triple bond is present, the primary suffix is "-ine". So this was about the primary suffix. Now we have studied about the word root and primary suffix. Now we can easily write the name of the organic compound. Let us do with an example. Now CH3, CH2, CH3. Now just see how many carbon atoms are present here. 1, 2 and 3. Now see here, C3 carbon atoms are denoted by prop word root. So I can write here prop. This is the word root for this organic compound. Now I have to add a primary suffix also here. Now as you can see, all the bonds here are single bond. So the primary suffix would be "-ine". I can write "-ine" here. Therefore the name of this organic compound is propene. With the second example, CH3, CH double bond, CH2. Now if you see, the same number of carbon atoms are present, 1, 2 and 3. So the word root would be prop again. Now see which primary suffix would be used. Now as you can see, there is double bond present here. So the primary suffix would be "-ine" here according to this double bond. So I can write "-ine" here. So name of the organic compound is propene. Third example, CH3, C triple bond CH. Now same is the word root here as 3 carbon atoms are present. So prop. Now which one is the primary suffix used here? So according to this triple bond, the primary suffix we have is "-ine". So I can write "-ine" here. "-ine". I've written "-ine" here. So the name of this compound is propene. Hope it was clear to you. Next are the nomenclature of branch chain hydrocarbons.